Hey everyone, I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host 2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to connect Google Search Console with Shopify. First, let's access the Shopify dashboard. On the left side, click the Online Store button. This opens our themes page. Let's find our theme. Click the three-dot button, open the menu and select Edit Code. This opens our themes file page. On the left, at the top of the file list, you'll see theme.liquid. That's the file we'll use. Click it to open our theme script. Go to line 3 where you'll find the header tag. At the end of this line, hit enter to create a blank line. Now we'll open a new browser tab in Google. We'll go to google.com and see the search bar. We'll click and search for Google Search Console. Just type and hit search. The first result will be Google Search Console. Click it to open the Google Search Console page. Click Start Now and set up your property. You'll see two options, domain and URL prefix. We'll choose URL on the right to edit our domain. I'll enter HTTPS and you'll add your Shopify domain. I've set mine up in Shopify. You should do this first. Then we'll click Continue below. Now it'll ask us to verify the property. We'll choose the HTML tag option. We'll click and it'll show 2 steps asking us to configure the code shown here. I'll click copy and the code will be copied with just a click. Let's go back to Shopify. On the blank line, we'll paste our code. Just paste the code, then go to the top right and click the save button. After clicking, changes are saved. Now back to Google. Back on Google, after saving, click the verify button. Wait a few minutes, it'll say the property is verified. We can then click on it. Now the Google Search Console dashboard will open. Initially, it won't show any info as it needs to analyze your store and pages. You'll need to wait a few days. It suggests coming back later to view the data. For now, you can add or set up a sitemap to help Google find your store pages. If you just want store data from Google, wait a few days and check back here. You've now successfully set up Google Search Console for your Shopify store. I hope this video was helpful.